Los?
Yeah, Shice. What's happening, Loco? What they do?
Alright, man. How you doing, man?
Oh, shit.
Alright, man. Don't tear up my car, man.
And I ain't gonna fuck it up.
Oh. Room back there, man?
Yeah. What's happening?
Not much, man. How you guys doing today, man?
I'm just cooling with the player.
Something not much.
What y'all been doing today?
Same old, just working. Trying to get these 5 stars up, get my money, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I'm saying what you listening to, bro?
This type of music, it sounds relaxing to me, you know. I don't type of people music people prefer.
That ain't what's happening right there.
What you trying to do?
Yeah, you gotta put that dog shit in there, man.
Oh shit, hold on, you can airdrop it to me. Hold on one second.
I sent it to you, bro.
It's it right here?
Yeah, let me see.
This your song?
Yeah, that's it.
Who's that beat, man?
Oh, damn, Rich.
That was roller game going out.
That's your beat.
I've been getting money for the past 10 summers. Take your bitch to eat, I take her out to Benny Hummers. Lunch date, I'ma take her out to go to Roof Chris. I might go to shopping when I take the Saks Fifth. Phone jumping hard just like a call center. Still getting money, summer, fall, in the winter. Better stack, shoot a stack, that shit ain't nothing, nigga. Pockets full of nips and hustle them blue hundreds, nigga. Working out that kitchen, got my neck glowing. Serving all that glee, got my check going. Plug, throw that pack and I'ma fetch some. If you reach for my neck, I'ma wet some. Shine.
Dog shit.
That dog shit, man.
Yeah.
That man, I guess it's gonna stop.
Alright, my boy. Hey, don't forget the screen dog shit, you heard me?
You already know, dog shit. And don't forget to press 5 stars.
Gotcha.